How to see all your comments on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to find all the comments you have made on TikTok videos from your profile but don't know where to start, I can show you how. Watch the video till the end to see all your different comments on TikTok. First, open the App Store or Play Store on your phone, search for TikTok and check for any pending updates for the application. If TikTok is not updated, tap on the update button and wait for a few minutes until the latest version is installed on your device. After this step, open the TikTok app and ensure that you're logged into your account. Go to your TikTok profile and then tap on three lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the settings and privacy option. Then click on the Activity Center button. You'll see different sections such as watch history, comment history, search history, and more. Select the comment history to open the list of comments you have made from your TikTok account. You can tap on a comment to open the video of which you have left that comment. That's how you can find all the comments on your TikTok. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.